Um, um, okay, um, um, okay, guys. I'm Tyron, and this is your phone search. So far, Tyron, and now Tyron is going live, and and because I think Tyron has some questions about you guys. I need to keep you guys a updates. So that's phone search. I need to make this phone search not a search as urgent, guys. I think it's my job to keep this a phone search programs going, guys. I just so glad time does kick the butt, guys. I think my job, I want you guys be on this phone search. I think because Tahoe is a Christmas phone search. Um, and um and your and your the holidays spirit on the phone search. And because I just so happy so happy it's almost Christmas, you guys. Now we're in a December, guys. It's almost Christmas. My question for you guys, and what you doing, and what you guys doing on Christmas? I will carry the link, down below. Other my a description, guys. Let's push the like button on this one, and please subscribe. Your phone search. Hit play. Okay, guys. I'm Tyler, and this is your phone search. And thanks so much. And thanks phone search. We have some real A sponsorships. I think we are sponsored by the phone search. It's Tyler's a program. Now my phone search is a network, you guys. You guys will follow this phone search right now. I think we tell some real a sponsorships, you guys. We are sponsored by the phone search. We are sponsored by a Justin Makes Subs. And I think we are sponsored by Southway E-Flaps. I think we are sponsored by a blue. We are sponsored by a blue. We are sponsored by a blue arrow farm. That's for you guys. Let's turn this phone search. Let's turn the process with Tyron. Okay, guys. I'm Tyron, and this is your Christmas, the holidays phone search.